How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Simplicity. Welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are doing an unboxing of the much awaited Sony A6400. A lot of YouTubers have recommended this camera to be the best camera on the market. It is definitely the new guy on the market, and we're going to just do a quick unboxing here and we'll do a review on it later. But for now, we're just going to do an unboxing. So if you haven't already, make sure that you do subscribe for more unboxings and checking out new tech and gadgets, helping you build your brand, image and business online through social marketing. Without further ado, guys, make sure you do give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe, follow me on all of my socials, and don't forget to share the video because it really does help get the video out there. Without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Right, so let's get this bad boy open. So, what do we have here in the box? We have the rather helpful instructions. There's a lot of them, like I could just, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm sure these might be helpful. I think they're all in different languages, so that's helpful because I speak fluently in so many different languages. No. But anyway, put that off to the side for now. And let's get into the meat of the unboxing. Right, so we have what looks like the charger. Oh wow, so it actually comes with different adapters. That's actually really cool. Wow, it comes up with different adapters. That is really, really cool. And we've got the battery. You know what? No, that can't be right. And that's the adapter. Nice little strap. And then the charger. And I have no idea what that is. And then of course we have the camera, and that looks like that's all you get in the box. Now I probably will have to charge this, so we might charge it and then obviously show you guys a better look. But here it is. Now I need to kind of cover my face. Here you can see this just came with the 16mm to 50mm camera. You know, for a little camera it's actually still pretty bulky. You can see it's really got some meat to it. It has some really great features. With this one you are able to shoot in 4K, which definitely is really helpful because looking into the future, for we know, all YouTube videos could be getting shot in 4K. Also, it's nice to just be able to shoot in 4K because you do get that better quality. May not be necessary, but it's definitely a good way to go. So that's why I decided to go for this camera. Also, just the features and the lenses that you're able to get with it are definitely what I'm after. I'm going to be getting a 16mm 1.4 aperture, which basically, in layman's terms, makes your background blurry. And everybody likes that look. I'm not really too sure why. Well, actually, I do know why, because I like that look too. But yeah, you've just got the camera here, and I just want to basically get this charging, and then we can actually have a run through of how it looks. So, without further ado, let's see if we can get this bad boy set up. So, going to need this one. Also guys, if you didn't know, this is what they call a mirrorless camera. Your DSLR cameras do have mirrors in them, whereas these ones do not. Definitely this is, like I said, a very popular camera at the moment. It's still a little bit new, and so people do kind of compare it to its cheaper brother, which is the Canon M50, I believe, or something like that. I think mostly for YouTubers it's really good because it's for vlogging and things like that, so that the fact that it's small is really good. But not just that, but it is also just the fact that it's compact. It's just easier to use and things like that. So we're going to, like I said, try to get this to charge, and I just opened up the wrong one. Very, very smart. Don't need that one. Very, very smooth. Okay. So let's open this up. So it looks like that is the battery. Nice cute little battery there. And then it looks like we just have the USB. Very straightforward. And then of course the power adapter. Oh, and of course we need that as well. Now I wonder if you plug the battery in and charge it that way, or you plug the whole camera in. I'm used to kind of DSLR cameras and you just charge the battery separately. By the looks of it, you may actually charge it with the battery in the camera, but we'll see. So there we go. USB goes right in here. And this goes in here. Yeah, so based on that, you don't have an adapter for the battery. It looks like you just chuck the battery in and then you just charge the whole camera. That just pops open there. It's got a little arrow. I'm guessing you want to slide that in this way, like so. You hear a click, you pop it down. Alright, and then you slide it back in. It's moved. But you guys, before we get into that, you have a little slidey thing here, and that allows you to be able to see yourself. I would have thought, I might have to play around with this, guys. I would have thought it'd be better than that, because you can see yourself, but like not really. So I'm not too sure if that's it. Oh, wait a second. That looks more promising. Does that go all the way up? No, I think that's kind of the best you're going to get. At least you can actually see yourself. So yeah, that's very cool. Not really too sure. Can't actually remember if the screen was always sticking out. But anyway, you got the screen on that side. You can flick it up. I believe you can flick it downwards as well. Great for vlogging and just for making sure that you are in the camera and you can actually see what you're doing. Definitely good how it's in the middle of the screen, because you'll probably find with DSLR cameras it's on the side and then you'll be looking at the wrong place. You won't be looking at the lens. Without further ado, guys, I want to get this charging and then we can actually give it a go. I suspect it's probably dead, but we'll give it a go right now just to see. We've got the on-off, on. And nothing happened, so I'm guessing it's dead. Right, let's give it a charge and I'll be right back. Right gang, so I have finally finished charging the Sony A6400. Took about 2.5 hours, 250 minutes, wait no, 150 minutes of charging, which is pretty expected when it is brand new out of the box. It needs probably a little bit longer than normal, maybe not, but I believe the battery was dead flat, so it didn't need that. So I believe this is the mounting, so if you want to mount like a flash, or if you want to mount, what did I say, a flash or a microphone, and then of course you've got the strap, and then it's really cool how it does come with different options for you charging it. I believe it does have USB, so maybe you can charge it via USB. I'm not too sure about that. I'll have to try it out and let you guys know. Do let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to do a review on this. There definitely are a lot of YouTubers who have already done in-depth reviews of this camera, so I'm going to vouch for them and say that this camera is amazing. But that being said, if you did want a review, comment down and let me know. I would be happy to do one for you. Without further ado, I have already turned it on just to make sure that it was fully charged, and I have just set up the languages so it is ready to go. Switch this on. Always remember to take the lens off, because that is a mistake I've made many times. And it is working. Wow. Whoa, it senses that my face went on it. That's cool. So it's got a little viewfinder as well, and it seems to have a sensor on it. So if you look here and you bring your finger to it, it turns the screen off. So that is very fancy. This can shoot in 4K, and it's got a very good face recognition. You'll probably find with some cameras you'll be trying to find, and it just takes a little while for it to actually recognize your face and know where to focus. The viewfinder on this is really good from what I've heard. I'll definitely have to do some tests on it, but from what I've seen, it does do a remarkable job. So that is really cool. I just got it that it came with the 16mm to 15mm. Pretty standard lens for now. Like I said, I will be getting the 16mm 1.4 aperture, which basically gives you the nice blurry background, and I will show you guys as soon as I have that lens, just to show you what the quality is like. Overall, this camera is truly amazing. It is probably definitely in the higher range of cameras, but if you're wanting to invest in yourself and invest in whatever the career you want maybe, whether it's YouTube, whether it's photography, then I definitely would recommend, definitely for YouTube, this is the camera best on the market that I could definitely recommend. If you definitely want to go ahead and have a look at checking one out, I will have the link in the description, and I will be doing a video once I have all my gear, and I'll have those links in the description. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I'll make sure that you have subscribed and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. If you do want to see a video of me using this camera and just talking, like I said, in a bit more of a review of that, I can definitely do that, guys. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure that you do give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you ring that bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Also, merch is in the description. Definitely go ahead and check those out, and follow me on social media, because I will be looking at doing some merch giveaways, so make sure that you don't miss out on that. Make sure to share the video. It does really help get the channel out there. I would really appreciate it. Hope you guys did enjoy this real quick unboxing of the Sony A6400. It is a beautiful looking camera, and so far I am very happy with it. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.